Today we are going to explore something truly powerful, luxurious, and built for adventure lovers, the 2026 Ford WildAx Equinox Camper Van. This isn't just a van, it's a full off-grid home on wheels designed for explorers who never stop.
Stay with us till the end because this van will completely change your travel imagination.
Exterior front view. Here we have the bold front face of the 2026 Ford WildAx Equinox in vibrant red, standing proudly inside a premium showroom. The aggressive grille design, sharp LED headlights, and strong Ford logo give it a commanding road presence. The high ground clearance and rugged 4x4 stance clearly show this machine is made for mountains, deserts, and long highway journeys. Now look at the top view. This is where innovation begins. We can see integrated solar panels installed for off-grid power supply, a modern roof-mounted AC unit, and a high-range communication antenna. Everything is designed for long-distance travel without dependency on external power. This rooftop setup makes it a true self-sustained adventure camper. Moving to the rear, the design becomes even more practical. You'll notice a mounted spare tire for emergencies and a foldable bicycle carrier for outdoor exploration. The rear lights are sharp and modern, ensuring visibility and safety at night. From the side, the camper van reveals its lifestyle feature, an extendable outdoor tent setup. Perfect for sitting, relaxing, or enjoying campfire nights under the sky. This side design truly connects indoor comfort with outdoor freedom. Inside the driving cabin, everything feels futuristic and driver-focused. Dual LED digital screens provide navigation and rear camera view. The steering wheel is multifunctional, wrapped in premium grip material. Comfortable captain seats, climate control system, and smart dashboard layout make long drives effortless and enjoyable. Right behind the cockpit, we enter the living zone. A premium sofa setup that quickly converts into a full-size bed is the highlight here. Soft lighting, storage compartments, and cozy interior design create a home-like atmosphere. This area is perfect for resting after long, adventurous drives. Next is the compact yet fully functional kitchen. It includes a small stove, sink, storage cabinets, and mini refrigerator. Everything is placed efficiently to save space while offering full cooking capability. Whether it's morning coffee or a full meal, this kitchen supports life on the road perfectly. Despite limited space, the washroom is smartly designed. It includes a compact toilet, small sink, and a shower system with water efficiency control. So here's the complete 2026 Ford WildAx Equinox Camper Van, a true luxury adventure home on wheels priced at around $85,000. It combines power, comfort, and freedom in one package. If you love this kind of RV lifestyle content, tell us your thoughts in the comments. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.